Okay, so in this video we will be talking about Hood, which is basically a crypto coin from Robinhood. And before we dive in, remember this video is not a financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves risks, so thorough research is necessary. Alright, so let's explore Hood. Hood is not an official coin of Robinhood, but rather a meme coin that plays off the brand's name, aiming to capitalize on Robinhood's popularity in the trading community. Its association with the Robinhood platform could potentially attract interest from the app's user base. Hood has been listed on several decentralized exchanges, DEXs, and possibly centralized ones, providing liquidity and accessibility. The coin's community might benefit from the general goodwill towards Robinhood's mission of democratizing finance. Although this is speculative, if Robinhood ever decides to embrace or acknowledge Hood, it could see significant interest in value increase. The primary disadvantage is that Hood has no official connection to Robinhood, meaning its value and utility are purely speculative and based on community hype. This lack of endorsement leads to extreme volatility, as seen with meme coins. There's also the risk of legal action from Robinhood against Hood for trademark infringement, which could impact its existence or value. Marketing and SEO for Hood are minimal, relying heavily on social media buzz rather than structured campaigns. The token utility is unclear. Beyond being a meme, lacking the infrastructure or partnerships that could provide long-term value. Finally, the crowded space of meme coins means Hood must compete for attention in a very saturated market. In conclusion, Robinhood Coin, Hood, leverages the popularity of the Robinhood brand but lacks any official backing or utility. Its community and initial interest are driven by the meme factor. However, without real-world applications or support from Robinhood, its future is highly speculative. Given these factors, I would rate Hood at a 2 out of 10 for its creative take on meme coins, but with significant caution due to its speculative nature and potential legal risks. Alright, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks.